Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming the sealed unit size and glass type. You cannot proceed blind. Put on gloves and use suction cups to support the pane. Once secured, use a thin putty knife to pry out glazing beads in sequence, labeling each piece so you remember the order. Make straight, steady cuts to avoid splintering the frame. You want the frame clear and intact. Stop the moment you lose a bead profile and reassess with the labeled parts before removing the sealed unit. Once the beads are out, you and an assistant lift the sealed unit straight out with suction handles. Avoid tilting to prevent glass stress. With the unit removed, clean the rabbet thoroughly. Scrape off old sealant, vacuum debris, and sand any rough spots. Make sure the frame is square and dry. Repair rot or replace small sections now. If you see bare wood, prime or apply a compatible primer to ensure adhesion. These prep steps determine the lifetime seal of the new unit, so take your time. You set the new sealed unit into the prepared rabbet and dry fit to check alignment. Make micro adjustments now. Feed a continuous bead of compatible silicone or glazing compound into the rabbet, press the sealed unit in, then reinstall glazing beads in the original order, using the labels. Clean excess sealant and let cure the recommended time. Test the window operation and inspect seals. If you see gaps, use a thin bead of silicone. Troubleshooting tip: if condensation returns, verify spacer integrity and edge seal. Replace the unit if spacer failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.